Thousands of people struggle daily against the mountain of debt. Feeling like you're drowning in a sea of bills and interest can be desperate. But what if there was a clear path to turn the tide and not only get out of debt, but also prosper financially? A journey that turns debt into wealth starts now. How? With 7 pieces of advice that will change your life. The financial realities can be harsh. However, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. Imagine tackling that mountain with confidence, knowing that each step brings you closer to financial freedom. What's the secret to creating a foolproof plan? How to transform daily habits into actions that generate wealth? These answers are closer than you think. The key lies in simple but powerful changes. Each tip has the power to transform your relationship with money. Visualize cutting spending without sacrificing what you love. Increase your income with simple strategies, and invest smartly. Have you ever thought about avoiding the financial pitfalls that bind so many to the debt cycle and maintain long-term motivation? This advice is not just theory. These are practical and proven steps. Get ready to discover the path to financial freedom and begin a new era of prosperity. Topic 1. Facing financial reality with courage. The truth may hurt, but it's the first step to freedom. Take your finances head-on and find out exactly where your money is. Did you know that more than 60% of Americans have no idea what their monthly spending is? Facing financial reality can be daunting, but it's essential. Many people avoid looking at their accounts because they are afraid of what they will find. This behavior can aggravate the situation, increasing debts and making it difficult to solve. To get started, do a thorough analysis of all your expenses and income. Utilize personal finance apps or a spreadsheet to record every penny that comes in and goes out. With a clear view of your finances, you can identify patterns and problem areas. Once you understand your financial situation, the next step is to tackle the debts. List all of your debts, including interest and repayment terms. Prioritize higher interest debt as it grows faster. The snowball method can also be effective. Start by paying off the smallest debts to gain psychological boost. This process can be uncomfortable, but it's crucial for regaining financial control and starting to chart a path to wealth. In addition to facing debt, it is essential to understand your spending habits. Take an honest look at your spending and identify what is essential and what can be cut or reduced. Small changes, such as preparing meals at home instead of eating out, can add up to big savings. This is the beginning of a financial transformation. With courage and determination, you can turn the tide and start building a prosperous financial future. Topic 2. Create a foolproof action plan. Without a plan, even the best navigators get lost at sea. Are you ready to chart your path to riches? A good plan is your compass. Having a financial plan is like having a map on an unknown journey. Without it, it's easy to get lost and end up in an even worse financial situation. The first step in creating a foolproof action plan is to set clear and specific goals. These goals should be measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," set a goal like, "I want to save $5,000 in a year." Clear goals help you stay focused and motivated. Once you set your goals, it's time to create a detailed budget. An effective budget should include all of your income and expenses, with categories for each type of spending. Set aside a portion of your income for paying off debt, another for savings and investments, and the rest for daily expenses. Adjust your budget as needed to ensure that you are making progress towards your financial goals. Remember to review your budget regularly to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. A foolproof action plan should also include strategies for dealing with financial unforeseen events. Create an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This provides a safety net in case of job loss or unexpected expenses. Also, stay informed about financial education to enhance your money management skills. With a solid plan in place, you'll be better prepared to navigate financial challenges and achieve your desired stability and growth. Topic 3. Reduce expenses without compromising your quality of life. Cutting spending doesn't mean living like a hermit. Do you want to learn how to save without giving up what you love? There are smart ways to reduce expenses without feeling like you're sacrificing everything. Saving money doesn't have to be painful. Many believe that reducing expenses means cutting out everything that brings pleasure, but this is not true. Start by analyzing your spending to identify areas where you can save without compromising your quality of life. For example, evaluate your monthly subscriptions and services. Too often, we pay for things we don't use or need. Canceling unnecessary services can result in significant savings without affecting your day-to-day life. Another strategy is to renegotiate contracts and accounts. We can often get better terms on our mobile, internet, or insurance plans by simply calling the supplier and asking for a review. Companies are willing to keep customers, so it's worth trying to negotiate. Plus, shopping smart can make a big difference. Take advantage of promotions, shop at discount stores, and avoid impulse purchases. Planning your purchases and making lists can help you stay focused on what you really need. Reducing expenses can also mean adopting more cost-effective habits. Cooking at home, using public transportation, or carpooling are all effective ways to save money without major sacrifices. Additionally, consider free or low-cost entertainment alternatives, such as outdoor tours, libraries, and community events. Small lifestyle changes can add up to big savings over time, allowing you to direct more money toward your financial goals without feeling like you're giving it all up. Topic 4. Increase your income with simple strategies. The secret of the rich is not only to save, but to earn more. Are you ready to figure out how to increase your income without needing a second job? Increasing your income is one of the most effective ways to get out of debt and build wealth. Fortunately, there are several ways to do this without sacrificing your free time or health. One option is to explore freelance or temporary jobs. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you to job opportunities that can be done in your spare time. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or programmer, there's always a demand for freelancing services. Another strategy is to turn hobbies into sources of income. If you're good at crafts, cooking, or photography, you can sell your products or services online. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and even social media can be used to promote and sell your work. Also, consider teaching your skills. Teaching private lessons or workshops on something you've mastered can be a lucrative way to increase your income. Investing in your education and skills is also a way to increase your earning potential. Online courses, certifications, and training can open doors to promotions or new job opportunities. Often, small improvements in your qualifications can result in significant salary increases. By diversifying your sources of income and investing in your personal development, you create a stronger financial foundation and pave the way to achieving financial freedom. Topic 5. Invest with intelligence and security. The path to wealth is paved with smart investments. But how do you choose the right investments without falling into traps? Investing is essential for building wealth, but it can be intimidating for beginners. The first step is to educate yourself about the different types of investments available. Stocks, real estate, mutual funds, and bonds are some of the most common options. Each type of investment has its own risks and rewards. The key is to understand how each works and how they can fit into your financial strategy. Never invest in something you don't fully understand. Once you have a basic understanding of investing, it's important to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments helps minimize risk. For example, if you only invest in stocks and the stock market crashes, you could lose a significant portion of your money. However, if you have a combination of stocks, real estate, and bonds, the decline in one sector may be offset by performance in another. Diversification is a powerful strategy to protect your capital. Also, invest regularly and in a disciplined manner. Don't try to time the market. Instead, take a long-term investment approach. Regular contributions to your investments, such as retirement plans or investment accounts, can add up significantly over time thanks to compound interest. Staying informed about the market and revisiting your investment strategy periodically is also crucial. With a smart and informed approach, you can build an investment portfolio that will help you achieve your financial goals. Topic 6. Avoid common pitfalls that hold back wealth. Many fall into the same financial traps. Want to know what they are and how to avoid them so you don't jeopardize your path to wealth. One of the biggest obstacles to building wealth is common financial pitfalls. Many people fall into them due to a lack of knowledge or discipline. One of the most frequent pitfalls is the overuse of credit. Credit cards may be convenient, but high interest rates can quickly turn small purchases into big debts. It is crucial to use credit responsibly and pay off the balance in full whenever possible to avoid interest and charges. Another common pitfall is a lack of long-term financial planning. Many live only for the present, without considering the future. This can lead to impulsive financial decisions and a lack of savings for emergencies or retirement. It is important to create a financial plan that includes both short-term and long-term goals, and to stick to this plan strictly. Financial discipline is key to avoiding these pitfalls and building a strong foundation for wealth. Impulsive spending is also a significant trap. Promotions and impulse buys may seem harmless, but they add up quickly and drain your finances. To avoid this, always make a shopping list and avoid leaving it. Wait at least 24 hours before making an unplanned purchase to ensure you really need the item. By being mindful of your financial decisions and avoiding common pitfalls, you can stay on track to achieve financial freedom. Topic 7. Stay motivated and focused for the long term. The journey to riches is a marathon, not a sprint. How do you stay motivated and focused until you achieve financial freedom? Staying motivated during the financial journey can be challenging, especially when the results aren't immediate. To stay focused, it's important to constantly remind yourself of your goals and the why of your actions. Create a visualization board or wish list that includes your financial and life aspirations. This serves as a constant reminder of what you're working towards achieving and can help keep your motivation high. Establishing rewards along the way is also a great way to stay motivated. When you reach a financial goal, celebrate your success. This doesn't mean spending excessively, but finding ways to reward yourself in a way that doesn't jeopardize your finances. Small rewards can be a big morale boost and help maintain enthusiasm for the journey. Finally, surround yourself with a support network. Share your goals with friends and family who can offer support and encouragement. Joining financial support groups or online communities can also be helpful. These connections can provide advice, inspiration, and accountability. Remember that the journey to wealth is ongoing, and maintaining motivation and focus over time is essential to achieving your financial goals. Tackling debt is the first step, but true transformation happens when you adopt a growth and wealth mindset. Each of the 7 pieces of advice we've shared is a powerful tool. The journey doesn't end here. How will you apply these strategies in your daily life? What small but significant changes will make a difference to your financial future? The road to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Every day, a new step, a new opportunity. Where will you be in a year if you follow this advice? What audacious goals can you achieve by incorporating these practices into your routine? Remember, consistency is key. Small tweaks today can add up to big rewards tomorrow. Life is all about choices, and every financial decision is a chance to create a more prosperous future. Think about the challenges you faced and overcome so far. What new opportunities will you discover as you continue on this journey? Your success story starts now. Keep exploring, learning, and growing. Financial freedom is within reach.